Hey everybody, so I'm out here working on my brakes today. I'll show you what I got done on them, how I routed the lines. Tell me if I did it wrong, please, because more likely than not, there's something I overlooked. But here's what I did. So there's my brake booster, and this is my rear. It goes to the front. I'll show you why I probably should have coiled that. Came down into that line. That one seems to be nice. And then let me see, there's that. That one's leaking. I think you can probably see the one on the left. It doesn't look very good. Kind of a mess right there. Didn't get the old ferrule very good on that one, I'm thinking. Hopefully I left enough there. So here in the back, I've got a leak right there on that side. Those other two, other three look all right. And then where I went up to the main line with that flex line, it looks okay. But I'm gonna pull them apart and do an inspection and see how badly I did with them, why they're leaking. So this lower one down in there, I got maybe a quarter turn on it. So I wiped it up and I'll test that. Now this one, when I look at the back here, come on. Look at the back of this right there. It looks a little low right there. And then from that side, it doesn't look all that great. So I'm gonna cut this and redo it. So it was leaking, and then when you let the brake off, you could hear air. It would suck air. So I'm gonna redo this one and see if I can fix it. So it's 3/16 line. That's how it finished out. Doesn't look like anything's in there, so pop that off. And so I went through, I bled them all, and apparently filling the lines up, I've exhausted all of my fluid. So pour more in to try and read on this right here, that, and see if I might be able to use that for my brake lights. I think it might possibly have some pressure contacts. I don't know. Some people had mentioned that earlier, but I've got my fuel lines down here. I've got to run to a pressure regulator. That is what I'm thinking I want to try and accomplish next, because if I can get this thing fired up, that'll be awesome. I can almost taste it. So these are my headlights that I'm gonna do with the horizontal. These are the daytime running lights. Is that. Then it has the turn signals as part of it. And these are 7-inch Jeep lights. So there's the turn signal. Then, okay, that's still hooked. Okay, I need 3 hands, but I believe these, I don't see the other. Okay, this is my brights, yeah, top and bottom, and my dims. But I'm pretty excited about if I do the backlighting on the grill like I want to. I think that horizontal bar is gonna look pretty dang awesome personally. But again, the saying, not built for your approval, I think that's going to look awesome. So those are my headlights that I got